Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, don't be scared. It is me, Shanelle. I am wearing something other than a nude lip this time. As you can see from the title of this video, I am doing this Vampy fall makeup look for you guys. I have not wore colored lipstick in years. Probably since I met my husband, which is 4 years ago. So yeah, I just really wanted to do a Vampy fall look. I don't know. I feel like Vampy and fall just go hand in hand. So if you guys want to see how I got this Vampy look, then let's go ahead and get started. So I already did my brows and we're just gonna ignore them, okay? Because they're so out there today and I just do not feel like fixing them. So we're moving on and just pretend that they look normal, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna be going in with the eyeshadow primer base. Honestly, don't know what I'm doing today. I'm just winging the heck out of it, you know? Just know I want to do something very vampy, which I'm scared because I haven't worn like dark lipstick in freaking years. I haven't worn anything but like nude or brown lipstick in so long. Today we're gonna be using the Profusion Gold Rush palette. This is just like what dreams are made of. Look how freaking stunning all these shades are. So obsessed. First I'm gonna go into this Serendipity shade right here just to get a good crease shade. Now I'm gonna go in with this Camel shade right here and go kind of in the same spot but a little bit below it and do the same thing, blend it out. These shades are so pigmented. They blend so freaking easy. Profusion palettes are so underrated. Like, how can you get such a good palette? 24 shades. 21 shades. I do have another Profusion palette that is 24 shades and they were both under $10. How is that stinking possible? Like, these are blending like a dream. The most dreamy palette ever. You can get them at Walmart. All right, now we have a good like transition. We'll be taking a big flat brush and we're just going to be going into the shade Boost right here. Get it all lathered up on that brush and we're gonna place it all over our lid. Now that we have it all packed on our lid, we're going to be going into this brown sugar shade right here. It's kind of like a mix between a brown and like mauve. We're going to be placing this like on the outer and inner parts of our eye. Now we're going to mix the Camel and Serendipity shades together and just kind of go in and blend the edges out. If you notice, I'm holding at the end of the brush. I'm not pushing hard at all and I'm just kind of circularly gliding over it, blending out any harsh edges. Can you tell a difference between the blended eye and the not blended eye? Always make sure you blend your eyeshadow. Alright, and surprisingly, we're not going to be using a glitter on our lids. We might use it in the inner corner of our eyes, but we're not using it on the lids. Next, we are going to be going in with my new favorite eyeliner. This is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner plus Serum in the shade Ultra Black. This is like the best eyeliner I've ever used. It's so easy. And now we need to do lashes. I'm gonna just go in with some very natural ones. These are the Kiss Wispy Lashes. Maybe using this pure gel. I haven't used it in forever, so I don't even know if it's gonna work. I forgot how freaking amazing that lash glue is and how easy it is to work with. Why did I ever stop using it? I don't know. Now moving on to the face, I'm gonna go in with my Sun Bum Face 50 in the Jergens Natural Glow Moisturizer. I've been loving mixing these two together. One, I just know that my face is getting moisturized and it's going to be protected from the sun because of the sunscreen. So love that for me. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Pore Primer. I'm just going to place that along my T-zone. Next, going in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation in the shade Medium Dark 135W. And I think I'm going to use my sponge today, but I did forget to wet it, so I'm just going to go in with some setting spray because I'm too lazy to get up. Now for concealer, we're going in with another old goodie that I've been going back to, is the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in the shade Medium. Then going back in with that same e.l.f. Total Sponge brush and using the other end of it, blending all the concealer out. It's funny how like when you get new products, you forget, not really forget, but you just like stop using the old products that you loved. And this was my favorite concealer like around Christmas. And I don't know, one day I just like decided I was going to start using some of my old favorites again, and I haven't been able to put this one down, so I figured it deserved, you know, it's showtime again. Still using the Siete London Everyday Vacay setting powder. This is just my favorite setting powder that I have right now. I think it works so good and I just love it. Next, I'm going to be taking my old favorite bronzer. This is probably still, if not my top favorite bronzer, still on like my top 3. This is the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two bronzer in the shade Tulum. It's just so good. Again, don't know why I stopped using it. I mean, obviously we can't use the same product in every video or we would never try new products, but this is just like the best bronzer ever. For me anyway, I guess. I shouldn't say for everybody. I like to hold like the front of my hair back, so like if I get makeup on my hair, it's like on the bottom layer, and then when I pull it over, it's not like on the top. So just something I started doing recently. I don't really know if it helps that much, but I feel like it does, so. Okay, then just gonna take a big fluffy brush and kind of just go over all that bronzer, chill it out a little bit, because I mean, I can really very easily overdo my bronzer, but do I care? No, I don't care, but I do blend it out for that reason. Then sometimes I like to go clean up the ends of my bronzer, just taking a beauty blender and running it down here to really define it. Now going in with my favorite blush right now, it's the Spiced Apple e.l.f. blush. Oh my gosh, this is just so pretty. Gives just like the prettiest color to the skin. It's just beautiful. I remember when I just did not wear blush. Like I wouldn't say I hated it because I never tried it, but I just thought I wouldn't like it, so I just never wore it. So I just wasted like so many years not wearing blush. I don't know, blush to me, like I felt like if you're wearing blush, you have to wear pink blush. Like that's just what I thought, but that is like not the case. Like that Wonder Beauty palette like this, no, I will not wear that hot pink blush. I think it's very sheer, but still, no way I'm gonna wear that. I like to wear like this color blush, like peaches, brownies. Ooh, I love brownies. But like brown shades of blush, it's just so beautiful. And now for highlight, also going in with the e.l.f. Duo, which is also just so beautiful. Next, we're going to be going back into our palette and doing our lower lash line. Just taking a little blending brush and going in with that brown sugar shade first and just buff it all on the lash line. Ooh, don't poke your eye. My eyes always water. Next, I'm going to be mixing the Boost and Camel shades and just lightly going underneath what we just did. And then I'm just gonna go into that Serendipity color, not too much, and just go right underneath it. Next, for our inner corner, I think I'm gonna go into this Wow shade. It is like literally the most beautiful shimmer shade I have ever used. So taking this Wow on a little tiny brush and just placing it right.
Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby girl.
Oh, so pretty. And then also just going to be taking a little bit of that shade and placing it under our brow bone. Really highlight that area. Guys, I can't stop adding this color. I just freaking love it. It's so beautiful. Almost done. Now just going in with Lights Camera Lashes to do my lower lash line. To finish off our look, I'm honestly like so scared to death to do this just because I haven't done it in so long. I can't decide between two. I may go with this one, but I have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Transylvania. I used to love this color. And then this is the Tarte Lippy Lingerie in the shade Racy. I think I'm gonna go with this color just because it'll match a little better. This is like super dark. But first I'm gonna be going in with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Lip Liner in the shade. I know these have like shade numbers, but it just doesn't say. I think this is number 3. I'm so scared, but this is what it is. You know, the funny thing is my husband actually picked this out like 4 years ago, like right after we started dating. And he doesn't like me to wear dark lips or anything, but he picked it out. I don't know. Ooh, that's pretty. It is so hard to do a straight line with this. I feel that's as good as it's gonna get, but I actually love that. Maybe, I don't know, it's so weird. This is not matte, so it is gonna make a mess if you eat or walk outside in the wind and your hair gets on it. Oh. And to set our face, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist. It is the up to 16-hour wear. This stuff is amazing. I feel like it could be a dupe for the Urban Decay All-Nighter. Like, it is so good. And I always spray a shit ton just because it's what I do. And then we fan it. That is such a soft mist too. Like, I love that because it doesn't like leave chunks of spray on your face. Like, it's so finely misted. Oh, so good. All right, guys, here is the finished look. I am actually vibing with this so much. Like, I don't know when the last time I wore dark lipstick was, but I'm here for it, okay? And fall is the perfect time to do it. So you might be seeing me with other shades rather than just nude in my upcoming videos, but yes. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. If you like these more vampy looks that I just did, or if you like my nude, basic, everyday, boring girl, I can do more of those, but I do for sure want to do more fall looks. Maybe my next one will be like a everyday, easy, soft glam fall look. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, me and my vampy self will see you in my next video. Bye! Go out and make the world smile.
Make sure to like this video if, wait, what? How is it? Oh my god, my freaking brow is like a damn caterpillar. Yes, so happy to film today.
Oh, I just said that because I was moving shit around.
Brother,